Well, we got all the bricks off the end. You can see that in the last video. We got the plastic over the end of the house just in case it rained. It didn't. We got the holes covered to keep critters from getting underneath of the house. So now that we've gotten all these things done, what's our next course of action? Well, now we dig. Let's go. As you can see, we got the gray conduit taking the electricity out to the well out of the way, so he can start digging up next to the foundation on the end of the house. We don't have to worry about a collapse because this is a gable end. There's really no weight on that wall. It's just there for support. And as you can see, they didn't put the footing very deep on the old house. Maybe a foot, if that. But here in north central Arkansas, that's about all you need. In this part here, you can see another issue we had to deal with. You'll see more about that later. And that's a gray water line. See it going down the middle. He's kind of working around it at this point. Shortly after I took this video, I cut it and moved it out of his way. Funny story, that led to a backup inside the house when the washing machine decided to drain, and it came out of the old washing machine port in the bathroom. So we got a big bunch of work ahead of us here. So stay tuned to the channel for that. We're putting on a 12 by 28 edition. Look at the piles of dirt. They jackhammered away on the rocks. Got them down to where they need to be. I got the plumbing put in, run underneath the floor for the gray water drain. Got the air conditioner drain hooked up and running. I know it doesn't look like it, but he shot grade on this. And now mind you, the floor, after he gets done, is going to be almost a foot higher than the ground level now, but where I'm standing here is downhill from where the floor will be over there. Anyway, you can see where we got the pipes running out. And that's going to be behind a retainer wall that's going to be over there. So you won't see that pipe at all, except for where it comes out for the air conditioner and the clean out on the top of that T. Then it runs out here, and you can see it's doing a pretty good job already. Wife did some laundry. Daughter did some dishes. It soaked in and everything. So we're on our way. We are on our way. Look forward to these walls being done and set up. Now, mind you, the basement walls are going to go up to about the top of that concrete, which you can see over here where that's at. That's the footing on the house. It's going to go up to the top of that footing. That's how high the walls are going to be. You can see over here too, top of the footing. They're going to come out 12 feet. I'm going to go across here. I was going to have this whole thing like a walkout basement, but figured half's enough. And that side over there will be safer in the event of a tornado. It'll be underground most of the way around. And then over here we'll have a door 4 feet from the end. Maybe a window. I'll put a covered patio here where I can put stack wood to keep it dry in the wintertime. Put the generator if I need to, that kind of thing. It has been dry, really dry. We've had no rain in pretty much a month now. Look at that, where he dug that up, where it still had moisture underneath. Look at that cracking. Thought that was interesting. That dirt, just clay actually, just cracking after being dug up. So this is the end of day 2 of the room addition. A lot more to come on that one. This is going to take a while. Thanks for watching.